complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Portland around 2 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bryant, Westchester, College Corner, Center, Liver, Trinity, Blaine, New Coleraine, Bryce, and Bell Fountain. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: J, Indiana,